Hello and welcome to Miss Art channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at long I sound as in fight, hide, bite, and cry. Let's start with I. When the letters I, G, and H come together to make I sound. I'm Mr. I, and I love to say my name, I. I'm going girl, and I say G in words. And I love to whisper my name in words. Harry Hackman hates noise, and Golden Girl is a good girl, so when she sits next to Harry Hackman, she doesn't make any sound. Let's get started. I as in light. I light. Shall we try one more? I as in sight. I sight. I as in flight. I flight. I as in night. I night. I as in right. I right. And now let's look at I sound using I and E. When Mrs. I and Mrs. E go out walking, Mrs. I does all the talking. She just says her name, I. Can you say that again? I. One more time. I. That's awesome. But Mrs. E won't do the same. Do you know why? Because she's busy playing. I as in tie. I tie. I as in pie. I pie. Let's try one more example. I as in lie. I lie. Are you ready for the next example? I as in die. I die. Shall we try one more? I as in cried. I cried. And now let's take a look at the split diagraph I. This E cannot be heard. She comes last in a word. This magic silent E can aim a spell over one letter to make I sound appear and say its name. I. Can you say that again? I. One more time. I. That's awesome. While reading, watch out for the magic E. And now let's get started. I as in kite. I kite. I as in time. I time. Are you ready for the next example? I as in mice. I mice. I as in shine. Sh. I. Shine. Let's try another one. I as in ride. I. Ride. This is Mr. I, and he says I, but sometimes he feels dizzy at the end of the word. He doesn't like being last, so Mr. Yo-Yo kindly helps him and say I for him at the end of the word. Now, let's get started. I as in pride. I, pride. Let's try another example. I as in fly. I, fly. Are you ready for the next example? I as in dry. I, dry. Shall we try one more? I as in sky. I, sky. Our final example, I as in shy. I, shy. Can you think of any more I sound words? If so, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.